5 years ago, I went from depressed and broke, living paycheck to paycheck, hitting rock bottom and questioning my whole life, to today where I've made millions online, traveled the world, and I'm living the lifestyle of my dreams. So how did things change so quickly? Before I show you, let's go back a bit. Not that far back. So it's 2009, I'd been slogging away at my corporate job for 5 years at this point, and my life is miserable. Waking up at 6:30 a.m, commuting to the office, getting stuck in traffic, sitting in long, boring meetings all day, doing this for 10 hours, then getting stuck in traffic all the way back. By the time I got home, I felt like a lifeless zombie. Have you seen the movie Groundhog Day?
Nuts.
Well, that's exactly what it was like. Same shit, different day. I started to question the meaning of life and whether this was going to be my harsh reality forever. I needed a lifeline badly. And it was at that very moment that my dad threw me one. His timing was impeccable. He knew I was struggling with my job, so he invited me to a network marketing opportunity meeting. At that point, I had no idea what network marketing was, but it was exactly what I needed to get excited about life again. Let's just say that that meeting blew me away. The opportunity to own my own business so I could make residual income forever and quit my 9-to-5 job got my heart racing. I always thought I'd be in corporate forever, just getting doled out a salary. It was mindless, but safe. And all my friends and family were doing that too. But becoming a business owner and controlling your income and future made complete sense. Why didn't I think of this before? So I joined that network marketing company at the highest level and didn't look back. A year later, I hadn't recruited a single person into that network marketing business. I made 0 sales and $0. The network marketing business model had potential, but I learned the hard way that trying to convince friends and family to join you in a network marketing business opportunity is much harder than it looks. What I really needed was access to strangers who wanted to be successful too, and I needed them in large quantities. So I went online and I googled how to recruit people into my network marketing business online and found some great marketers who looked like they kind of knew what they were doing. So I bought their courses, and that year I recruited more than 100 people into my network marketing business. Yes, I was finally on my way to success. But wait, there was a problem. The people I was recruiting weren't duplicating my results, which meant that I was doing all the work. And with network marketing, you need thousands of people in your downline to make the really big money. Otherwise, you just make chump change. And once I realized that, I quit. From there, I desperately continued to try different business models online to try and make money. I sold t-shirts on Facebook. When that didn't work, I got into top tier sales opportunities. When that didn't work, I tried marketing and biz op systems. Then I tried dropshipping. I even joined a few more network marketing opportunities with better compensation plans along the way. But nothing was working. I made a few sales here and there, but for the life of me, I could not figure out how to get into consistent profit, which basically means I was making a loss every single month. Oh, I forgot to mention that this whole time, I had quit my job and was burning through my savings trying to figure this whole thing out. I lived with my parents to save costs, but after 3 years of trying to make money online, I only had $500 left in my bank account. My dreams of replacing my 9-to-5 salary and being free was shattered. I remember being in denial that I had failed to achieve my goal. And after collecting myself and realizing the shit I was in, I had no choice but to scramble. The next day, I dusted off my old suit and started looking for a new job because I was about to run out of money and I really needed to feed myself. But I couldn't stop thinking about my future and the potential of a successful online business. I had to prove to my friends and family and all those naysayers wrong. So every night when I got back home from my new job, I continued to tinker away at my online business, relentless in my pursuit for success. It was at that point that I met my mentor, Vic, who's made millions online selling other companies' products through a business model called affiliate marketing. I had tried a bit of affiliate marketing previously, but I could never get it into profit. The courses that I bought from internet gurus always told me to spend money on expensive solo ads. And then once these leads I was generating from these solo ads opted into my website, I was told to email them every single day and promote these affiliate offers really heavily to them. With this strategy, I made a few sales here and there, but I was spending way more money on the solo ads, and this was making me broke. Vic told me that this is what 90% of affiliate marketers are taught, and this is what keeps them poor. So instead, I needed to stop spending money on expensive solo ads that don't work and focus on a high quality traffic source like YouTube and Instagram and start creating my own valuable content. And then provide as much value upfront for my email leads with free tips and training, instead of trying to just sell them all the time.
Aaron Chen, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for opting in and taking the time to watch this video training.
I promise you.
That way, my leads would get to know, like, and trust me, and I would stand head and shoulders apart from the competition. And you know what? His strategy worked. I followed what Vic said and I started making consistent sales. And then slowly but surely, I started to get into profit. I went from 0 months to my first $3,000 a month, and then $5,000 a month, then $10,000 a month, and then $20,000 a month. I couldn't believe it. After 8 long years of smashing my head against the wall, trying to figure out how to be consistent and get into profit online so I could finally quit my 9-to-5 job, I did it. In 2019, I quit my job again, but this time for good. This is a picture of me visiting my old colleagues a few months after I had already left the company. I was so happy. Can you see it on my face? I then made my first $1 million online with affiliate marketing. This is an award I got in the mail from a company whose products I promote. I retired my mom last year, bought my dream home, and travel all over the world because of the money that I make from my affiliate business. Now it's been 5 years since I left my corporate job and things are better than ever. If you want to know if affiliate marketing still works this year, it sure does, and I'm proof of that. It's currently a $17 billion industry and growing really fast. 88% of retailers have an affiliate program, and when you recommend one of their products through your link and someone buys, then you make a commission. It's simple, highly profitable, you can do this from anywhere in the world, and you only need to focus on one thing, and that's marketing. It does require you to execute with the right strategy, but if you do, it's possible to get results like me. You don't need a big following. You can start with 2 to 3 hours a day. You don't need any tech skills to start. You just need the desire to be successful and the want to change your life. It changed mine, and because of that, I will be forever grateful to this industry. If you want to model me and get access to my free masterclass where I teach this exact affiliate strategy, all you need to do is just click the link below.